Hello dear children of class 6. Today we will learn chapter 2 from moral value. Theme: love nature. Children, nature is all around us. It has within itself the beautiful rivers, plants, snowy mountains, air, water, and all the things that give meaning to life. The nature gives us everything we need to survive on the earth. It gives food to eat, water to drink, and air to breathe. It is very kind for us. It keeps us alive. All of us need food to stay alive. Nature gives us fresh and clean air. Breathing fresh air to keep us healthy and lovely. But human beings do not properly use the gift given by nature. We go to extremes. We wage wars against nature and attempt to fortify ourselves against the power of nature. We cut down vast forest, change the course of river, bore into the earth to our search for raw material, build happy industries, invent many polluting machine and play with nature all the time. Children, we disturb the various natural forces that ensure ecological balance. In short, we are solely responsible for the ecological disaster. The gases expelled by the chimney of factories polluted the atmosphere and make it poisonous. Pollution in the air causes several dangerous diseases to human beings. Children, fossil fuels lead to emission of the polluting gases which in turn are the causes of global warming, acid rains, climatic change, loss of the cultivation land, famine and poverty. This problem of polluting is a global phenomenon. Children, pollution is the biggest problem of the today's society. Every year millions of people die due to pollution in various forms. Much of the harm done to nature due to selfishness and carelessness. We must remember that nature gives life and take away life. Let us therefore try to preserve the nature things in our surroundings. As a student, we can try to keep our surroundings clean. We can ensure that water does not stagnate around our dwelling. We can thus reduce the number of mosquitoes and insects. We can prevent the piling of garbage in our neighborhood. Moral: nature gives us everything. It makes us live well. We destroy everything. We make our heaven a hell. Student, this chapter is easy word to essay. You must read this chapter with meaningful and do exercise. Okay, thank you.